Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this exciting episode, we're going to talk about 2 reasons that you should be using Excel tables. The first one might be the most obvious to you, and that's to do with formatting. Here we have a range. We could format this to look a little bit better by adding some color to the headers, maybe adding some alternating row colors, and so forth. But that can be manual setup, a lot of work. We could do this with conditional formatting as well, but again, that takes time. Watch how easy it is when we use a table. We'll simply select one cell in the range. We could go to the Insert tab and insert a table, or notice that there's a keyboard shortcut, Control T. Yes, my table has headers. It's recognized the correct range. Press OK, and we instantly get formatting. We can change the formatting style by coming up here to the Table Styles dialog box, and we have quite a variety by default that we can select. Or we could right-click, duplicate, and then modify one of these styles to be closer to what we would like. So that's the first and perhaps the most obvious reason. Let's look at perhaps the most important reason to use Excel tables. Go back to our range. Let's say that we want to do a count of the customer IDs. Equals count. Select that range. Close the parentheses. And we get the correct answer. We also want to do a sum. Equals sum. Select our range. And again, we get the correct answer. But what happens when we insert a new row into this range? It doesn't update automatically. We would have to manually come in and adjust our formula. This is not only time consuming, but will also certainly lead to inaccurate information. What about when we do the same thing when we've converted it to a table? Equals count. Notice it inserts the table name as well as the field name. Close our parentheses. Equals sum. If you hover over the column field, you can click when you see the black arrow pointing down to be able to select that. Again, the table name, brackets, column name, close brackets, close our parentheses, enter, and now let's see what happens when we insert a new row. Our formula updates automatically, and so does our formatting. If you're not using Excel tables, you probably should be. We hope that this helps. Thank you for watching our channel. Please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you have questions, please let us know in the comments.